So, hello again. So right now I'm just going to, I was working on my homework, uh, problem 18, so I decided to record some of the answers in the video. I thought it'd be easier to do this than to type everything up. So, I'm going to be answering problem 18, it's letters B, C, D, and E. And I'm also going to be answering problem 19 in this video. So, alright, let's get started. B asks us to use various WHOIS databases on the internet to obtain the names of two DNS servers. Indicate which WHOIS databases you used. I found GoDaddy had one where you can search it. Then also there's WHOIS.net, and then those are the two that I'll be using right now. So we'll go right here, and what we're gonna do is just, I don't know, we'll just plug in something like gizmodo.com. Sorry. There we go. Yep, found it. And it gives you a bunch of information. The name, server, when it was created, when it expires, what else? I don't know, overall it just gives you a lot of information. It also, well, it's not available, so it'll give you a list of a bunch of other stuff that's available. But if we go over here and we look it up, and there you go, it's not available. And it gives you same information that was on this page, pretty much. So let's look up another website. Say, we'll just do, let's not do Facebook, tomshardware.com. I just gotta do this. Hopefully I'll get this right. I might as well do it in this one too. So, tomshard.com. There we go, it came up quicker in this one. So yeah, here's all the information for this one. And this one is taking a while. So to stop it, refresh it. Oh, here we go. Alright. So yeah, gives you a bunch of information, and yet again, not available. I'm assuming these are the other options. Oops. Oh, sorry, I clicked on it. It took us to the webpage. And then, so yeah, that's question B, so we'll move on. Does not. Alright, so let's move on to question C. It says use NS lookup on your local host to send DNS queries to 3 DNS servers, your local DNS server, and the 2 DNS servers you found in Part B. Try querying for Type A, NS, and MX reports. Summarize your findings. So I have this NS lookup tool brought up. You could also do it on your computer, which I'll try to do in just a minute. So we're going to plug in, we'll start off with Gizmodo. Oh, did not work. Oh, so we need the IP address, which we can get from here. Actually, do not know why. But we can do this one, I guess. Gizmodo.com. There's the IP address, so let me bring this over here. Let me see what happens if I plug that in. Hopefully something will come up now. No, nothing still came up. That's weird. So, what I can do is my IP address. It's weird. Nothing came up again. Oh, here we go. Well, we did a DNS query. We use this utility instead of Venice lookup, but so we see different types. So we see type A, type NS, and I do not. Oh, here's type MX. So this is actually much better. And these are all the additional IP addresses. So yeah, this is the IP address for Gizmodo.com, which we got right, which was one of them, but it was different. So yeah, that's question C. But let me do Tom's Hardware too, just to, and here we go. See, we got MX, NS, A, type. So it's all there. So question D asks us to use the NSL lookup tool again to find a web server that has multiple IP addresses. Does the web server of your institution have multiple IP addresses? So we'll try this. Oh, here we go. This is the tool that I was using before. Sorry about that. But like if I go to gizmodo.com, here we go. Yep. And it lists everything. Additional records, authority records. So we're going to go to Eastern ct.edu, and there we go. And it brought up this. And these are all the IP addresses for Eastern, right here. And it does have multiple IP addresses. It's basically that's it for that. So then we're gonna use another Whois database to determine the IP address range used by the university. So we'll try to do this. So as you can see right here, yeah, the range would be these N1's 1, so 179 to 184, and then there's also 107 and 159. That's what I think the question's asking for. So that's that for question E. And then, so we're going to go on to problem 19. We're going to use the dig utility, which I have open right here. And what we're going to do is is go to eastern.edu/computer. And I think that worked. Let me just make sure that's the right. Yeah, that was right. So here we go. There's that. And there's only one DNS server, it looks like. But if I just do, there's multiple. There's NS and authority section, additional section. So that's what that shows. And it also asks us just to check out for part B, google.com. And yeah, well, there's a bunch of different servers. And also to check out amazon.com. Oh, there we go. So yeah, those are, I hope I answer all the questions correctly, but and hope you guys got a better understanding of how to use these tools. But yeah, thanks for listening. If you guys have any questions or comments, just feel free to leave them.